Yeah, man. No, me tell you it can work. There's no question if it can work. Bridget, look how much years me I do this. You think I told them to start the construction? No, but that may tell you, sir, I am about to go meet with an investor. Yeah, man, it's a sure deal, man. It's a friend of mine from school days. Him have the cash, him have that type of money. We're not worried about it. Never failed on it yet? Exactly. Alright, look, just do everything on your side. We will sort out my side. No worry about my side. My side covered. Yeah, man. Alright, good. I'm quite man a rookie at this. Sure. Whew. Well, I've been making some checks.
Uncle Carlton, I'm really worried. What I saw the last time had me really scared.
What exactly you see?
He was talking on his phone and said Mom was on the phone. And when I answered it, it was Dr. Grant.
So, him really I hear our voice?
It would seem so.
Well, I got there 2 times, but he must too sedated to talk.
Uncle Carlton, I really don't trust that woman. But I can't deny what I saw.
And the list of drugs that you got from her are all FDA approved, right?
But yeah, but she can give that list and still be administering something else to him.
Facts. Tiffany, we have to approach this very calm and strategic because she know all of the top people in the profession.
That's what I realized, But I made some calls and did some research, and it all pointed back to her.
Yeah, and I hear she planning to commit him.
Yeah, I spoke to the nurse because Dr. Grant is not taking my calls.
She not take mine either.
The nurse says that he may have to go there for a month because they don't have the staff to look for him or to look after him in that private place, so.
Well, look here, man. Me go reach back. Me have to go find Maxine again and talk to her because she not come with my brother in no asylum. He man a madman.
Please, may I beg you, Uncle Carlton, because I've not been able to sleep since all of this started.
I understand. Don't worry, Tiffany. We'll be on top of it. Just try to get some rest, okay? I promise that everything will work out.
I mean, I can try.
So how long you going to be here for?
Definitely until he's better.
So what about school?
The good thing about that is I just have 1 semester left. I've made arrangements with my professors to do my classes online just to finish up what I have. But in the meantime, I'll be sending out some applications to the media houses here.
Well, that sounds good. So what you do? Planning to go into communications?
Yeah, investigative journalism. To be very specific.
What? Investigative journalism. Okay then. Alright. Sounds good. Tiffany. I'm going on a meeting now, alright? So here what? We have to do lunch one day this week. How you stay?
Okay, that's fine. That sounds like a plan. We can definitely do that. Just let me know and I'll try to make some time on my calendar to squeeze you in.
All right. We'll talk. Chin up.
All right.
All right.
All right, Uncle. Bye.
Bye.
Who that? Spotted?
Holy boy. What going?
Yeah, you know, man. It's been a minute.
More than a minute. A couple of hours.
Yeah.